Hello, welcome to Pergola Nurseries. I'm impatient here, want a bit of instant colour, really full in this corner, and it's hard to beat Salvia Amistad. And Salvia Amistad will flower from now until easily the end of October, with lovely purple flowers just starting off now, and grows very, very quickly. It'll achieve a height of around 70 centimetres and spread around the same across. We dug out a decent sized planting hole for it. We've mixed in a little bit of Swellwell compost at the bottom, and we're going to put in some Super Thrive planting fertilizer now at the bottom of the planting hole. Very important when you're planting all your plants. Super Thrive is a fantastic fertilizer. It's slowly released for the plants and reduces transplant shock. So we're putting a handful like that at the bottom of the planting hole, just mixed in there. And with a little bit of Swellwell compost in there for the salvia, and with some Swellwell compost mixed with the soil for back in around the plant again. So out it comes out of spot. This grows very, very quickly, and at the end of the year you can take some cuttings and you mind them, and you've lots of new plants again for next year. But they like a sunny and free draining spot to do well, and it's got that here. It'll take off and grows very quickly, so we'll have a bit of instant satisfaction with it here. The wow factor very quickly with Salvia Amistad. They do very well in pots and containers if you want as well. So that's Salvia Amistad settled in there. Will give us lots and lots of colour between now and October. Goodbye for now. Enjoy your garden.